Welcome to this lecture. Today we are going to deal with these topics little quickly but in detailed approach. My name is Gunjan Subedi and as always I'll be guiding you in this topic with practical explanation and examples when necessary. Before starting, let me kindly remind you to subscribe to my Lean University, which is my initiative to deliver free and quality professional education to your screen.
The concept of lean automation came up with the development of Jidoka. The concept was first used by Sakichi Toyoda in 1896 when he developed a simple device that could stop the shuttle on an automatic textile loom if the thread is broken. This principle later came to be known as automation with a human touch. Taichi Ono later applied these principles to machines. Jidoka means increasing the productivity and efficiency through partial or full automation. Along with just-in-time, Jidoka is one of the two pillars of the Toyota production system. Jidoka focuses the causes of the problem because work stops immediately when a problem first occurs and helps in eliminating the root causes of the defects. Some of the other benefits of Jidoka are detect mistakes and defects automatically, increase in line efficiency, less human resources, and less labor costs. Note that though we are talking about automation, it's not always necessary to implement a costly full automation. There are two approaches for Jidoka. By focusing on the improving process capability or pokoyoke, which is associated with investigating defect, causes of the defects, and fixing the missing or causes that cause them, and by eliminating the human mistakes. The second approach is associated with focusing on containing defects or zone control, which is done by having people find defects and containing them within the zone of control. Automation versus automation. Automation is focused on labor reduction. Automation or Jidoka is focused on quality improvement and independence of the man from the process. Automation increases technicality, whereas automation reduces technicality. Jidoka is a quality control process that applies the following four principles. Detect the abnormality. The key is to recognize the abnormality or problem visibility, requiring an understanding of what an abnormality is, ongoing monitoring at the source, and a signal or add-on to provide an alert to an abnormality. This supports doing it right the first time through one-by-one confirmation, doing what is right using common sense as opposed to blindly following a process. Second is by stopping the process. It implies a focus on quality of each transaction, an immediate correction, and the authority for anyone who recognizes a problem to be able to immediately intervene to prevent ongoing problems. This supports the concept that the frontline people that are doing the work own special cause variation, fix or correct the immediate condition, eliminate the possibility of defects moving through the process, causing rework and delays by fixing the problem that was generated right away. Corrections should be made when and where they are detected and returned to the process as quickly as possible. Investigate the root cause and install a countermeasure. Investigation of the root cause of the abnormality should occur at the time and place that abnormality occurs. The best solution will be error-proof pokoyoke.
Before ending this lecture, let me remind you to join my Lean University's premium membership and enjoy a total free access for limited time inside my Lean University's online library and get tons of free courses, free books, and lecture topics on project management, Lean and Six Sigma, operations and supply chain, productive and preventive maintenance, quality maintenance, data science, industry and sales management, Agile and Scrum, Kaizen or continuous improvement, and much more totally free. No strings attached. As we have limited seats, only the early subscribers will be given open access inside the premium membership, and remember, it's totally free. Please subscribe and share the video if you share the common belief that professional education should be accessible to all.